Hey everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with another do-it-yourself video, and this time it's part 2 of adding more grit to your pickleball paddle. I have here my really beautiful Selkirk Luxe that I bought, one of my first paddles, and after a while of usage, these tend to have wear and tear, and the grit just dies on it. And I love to add more grit to this paddle, and you can do that by getting this really cool product. I shout out to Scott, a friend of mine who introduced me to this, but it's the Rust-Oleum EPOXYSHIELD Anti-Slip resistant coating spray, and it's clear, so you just spray it over the paddle, and it adds really great grit to it. Almost as good as some of the really high grit paddles that you see. You can get a comparison of the feel of it, and it's really comparable. I'm not sure it would pass tournament play because you can't really add grit to your paddles prematurely. So I don't suspect this would be allowed in tournaments, but for recreational play, it's great to just add that extra grit for that extra spin on your paddle. Here we go. I'll show you how to do this. All right, to do this safely and easily, you need like a little bag to put over your handle so it doesn't get the spray on there. I got this little bag. You can get a Ziploc bag as well to cover that. And you might want to add some masking tape or electrical tape. Does really nicely around your edges so that you don't get spray on your edges. And you want to hold this out at a distance, because if you spray it directly, it'll clump up, right? And again, just spray it outside because you don't want to inhale the fumes on this. So basically, you just hold it. You might want to wear gloves, but so you just kind of spray it, and just spray it lightly. Right? Just make sure you evenly get all of it. The nice thing about the clearer one is it doesn't, it dries nice and clear, and you can still see your design of your paddle on there. All right, one of the other tips I'd like to say is to get one of these paddle face cleaners. I don't know what they're called, but there's just really a rubber block that you want to just scrape off all the excess debris that's on your surface before you spray on that grit spray. Just clean it off, and then let's go and spray this thing. There we go. So again, hold it off, put a cover on it. Where's my cover? Put your cover on it. Okay. All right. And again, just be patient with the spraying because you don't want it to clump. Just hold it out. Right, nice and light. Turn it around. You don't need a lot. And again, you don't want it to clump up, so you want to spray it lightly, and that should give it enough grit. All right, let me know how it goes.